Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. You know what day it is, guys? Today we're going to pick the name of the winner. And it was for my beautiful, here we go. Let me find it. It was for my beautiful STARFRIT pressure cooker, slow cooker. So someone is going to get a chance to win this beauty, that's for sure. But I do want to say thank you to STARFRIT, to Claire for making it possible that my viewers, my subscribers, get a chance to win this awesome gift. Not only did she send me one to review, but she is sending one of my subscribers one too. So I have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And this time around, we did it on my Instagram, and I did it because I was hoping to grow my channel, and I did get a few extra followers. So I'm going to say thank you for all the newcomers. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. First, I want to pick, here we go. I want to go open my live recorder. This way, guys, you see everything I do. Here we go. We're going to press record. This way I don't have to hold this camera while I talk to you. Okay, so here we go. So my live recorder is on, right? Yeah, it's on. Here we go. Lower that. So this is how it works, guys. I'm going to use this link for all my new subscribers. What I normally do is I use a random picker. Normally I do my giveaways on YouTube. So if you're on Instagram and you're only following me there, if you go follow me on YouTube, I do a lot of giveaways over there too. So go subscribe to me there. Remember, guys, when you subscribe to me, you help my channel, and I really appreciate it. But this time, I said I was going to do it on Instagram, so I am using the Instagram tool. You can see it right there, Business Instagram. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to go find my link, and this is the one right there where it says, "Hi guys, I got this new pressure cooker, slow cooker," and I'm going to show you that's the one, because if you go there, there it is. It says, "Hi guys, I got this new pressure cooker, slow cooker." So that's the one that we are doing the draw. And we're going to go back here, and we're not going to filter duplicate users, because this way, if you only commented once, you're going to be able to win this also. I know a few people messaged me and they said they didn't have an Instagram, but they made an Instagram account just to be able to follow me there, and they didn't have any friends. So I wanted, and I told them that even if they comment once, I was going to allow their name to also be part of this giveaway. So if you only put your name in once, you have one chance. And if you put your name in more than once, where you tagged other friends, well, as many times as you tag someone else, that's how many times your name is going to be able to go into this draw. So you're going to have better luck, right? Okay, so we're not going to exclude anything. So this is great. So I'm going to press get comments, and it's going to tell me there was 154 comments under that one link. I am going to go down right there. I'm going to press start. And guess what, guys? We're going to find out who the winner is of this beautiful, beautiful machine. I love it. I use it all the time. I use it. Erica uses it. I think the only person who doesn't know how to use it is my husband, because he just sits and waits for dinner most of the time. But we use it all the time, and we love it. Remember, guys, if I'm doing a review on an item, I do it because I either use it or I promote it because I want to promote that item, because I believe in the product. I will not promote something that I don't want to have myself, or want to buy myself, or believe in the product. I had so many people email me and ask me to promote their products, and I basically said no. If I didn't believe what the item stands for, I don't accept it. I'm not going to take a product from someone if I don't believe in it. Let them find somebody else to promote it. I won't do it. But if I believe in the product, I'm going to do it, guys. So if you see one of the giveaways or something that I'm promoting, even if it's not a giveaway, it's because I use it or love it. So here we go. I'm going to stop talking because I do lots of that. But I am going to press start, and we're going to get a winner. Okay, you ready, guys? And the winner is Shanna Spencer. So congratulations, Shanna. You are the winner of this beautiful giveaway. She tagged a few people, and the way she tagged, she only had one chance to win because she put everybody's name under that one comment. She won with just one comment. So congratulations, Shanna. You are the winner of this beautiful giveaway. Now, don't forget, you must go to my YouTube channel. And if you go right under my link where it says giveaway, and you go under the description where it is show more, you're going to see there's 2 email addresses for you. There is my Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, and there's my art one. So either one you can email me at. So there you go. I'm going to say congratulations. And remember, guys, you have 1 week to claim your prize. If you don't claim it, I will have to pull another name. Shanna, don't forget, message me. You've got 1 week to claim this gift. And hopefully you should get it before Christmas. I'm happy you won. And guys, don't get discouraged. There's other giveaways that are going to happen soon, and you'll have a chance for those ones. But I'm going to say congratulations, Shanna. You are the winner. And guess what? I'm going to see you in my next video, guys.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.